Hey everybody, thanks for joining us again today on YouTube. We're in our software and we've got some really exciting news for you and a new product that we're introducing called Control Editor. Think of TCE as being a ZOSnanny. In this presentation we're going to examine the commonly accepted ZOS best practices that are used for supporting and maintaining a ZOS configuration. Making a backup, this is obvious that we want to do this before we make a change. Test a change to ParLib, ProcLib, or JCLlib before we commit it to production. Researching the history of prior changes to make sure that we're not attempting to do something that might conflict with a previous change. Documenting the actual change that we make. And importantly, notifying those that are around us that the change has actually taken place. We all know that a failure to make a backup, test it, review it, document it, and provide notification can lead to a loss of ZOS integrity or compliance and worse, loss of ZOS availability. In this presentation, we're going to look at your workflow patterns and how we can help you by automating that workflow, allowing you in an automated way to conform to these best practices with a workflow assistant we refer to as the ZOSnanny or the Control Editor. Now, Control Editor is a system utility. It operates in the ZOS environment under TSO-ISPF and can help you to fully automate step by step all of the individual tasks that will lead to compliance with ZOS best practices. The good news here is that TCE supports all existing change management systems and all existing external security managers. Your change management process is going to benefit immediately by being able to now demonstrate the closing of the loop between the planning for a change and the actual change that is made. And the security folks are going to benefit by gaining visibility into the changes that are actually made by vetted users. Of course, TCE is fully under the control of your ZOS administrator. She can easily create control boundaries for data sets, operator commands, and other system events. For TCE will be vigilant. All of these changes, even that are made outside of the TSO-ISPF domain, are captured and recorded and controlled and stored in control journals. Later, these control journals can be used for forensic and periodic management reporting. So, the reason you need a ZOSnanny, something that can automatically guide you without interrupting your work through normal ZOS system programming best practices. No matter what. No ifs, no ands, no buts, no excuses. Doing so, TCE will document your work to a standard that will satisfy the most demanding regulatory requirements. I invite you to come out and join us on September 11th, 13th, 18th, and 20th for a webcast that will expand on the Control Editor and how you can use it to sustain and maintain conformity with the best practices of your organization. To register, go to www.newera-info.com/ZOSnanny.html. Until then, have a good day. We look forward to seeing you. Bye-bye.